One of the many goals of a podcaster is generating income. You want to create great content for your audience, but you also want to get paid for the amount of time invested to pump out your episodes. There are a few ways to make money with your podcast. The best way to solve this problem is to take a look at the very popular podcaster John Lee Dumas from Entrepreneur on Fire, who publishes his income reports every month. Success leaves clues. You'll see that John Lee Dumas's income comes from 3 different types of income sources, and some are larger than others. Those different ways are sponsorships, products, and affiliate income. Generally, for Entrepreneur on Fire, sponsorships and affiliate income make up about 50% of John Lee Dumas's monthly income, while his products make up the other 50%. The question for how to make money podcasting often comes up in many podcasting Facebook groups. And can you guess what income source successful podcasters state as the best way to make money? You guessed it, selling products and services like creating a coaching program or selling books and t-shirts. Sponsorships and affiliate income then becomes icing on the cake. So if you want to make money podcasting, start creating products or services that solve a pain point for your audience. Do you want to take your podcast audio and get more exposure by turning it into a video just like this one? Then click on the link below now to head on over to headliner.com to get started for free.